our last learning target of this week. I can find the surface area in real world scenarios. Let's take one for example. Alright, so a real world scenario. My chicken coop, let's say that it was coming down and I want to build a new one. Build a chicken coop rectangular, so we know that it's not a triangle, that it's all rectangular on every side, and it's going to be a rectangular prism. It's 10 feet long, 6 feet tall, and 8 feet wide. Question is, how much chicken wire am I going to need if I want to cover the entire coop? Now normally you wouldn't put chicken wire at the bottom, but maybe I need to keep the raccoons from digging under, and I want to make sure to cover the entire thing and make sure that my chickens aren't flying out. So I want to cover the whole thing with chicken wire. Well, how much am I going to need? The easiest way I find to really think about something like this is to draw it out. So I'm going to just draw out just a quick little drawing. It's not going to be to scale or anything. We are going to connect all of our pieces here. And we are going to say that our chicken run is 10 feet long. So we're going to say 10 feet. It is 6 feet tall. So we're going to say 6 feet on the height. And it is 8 feet wide. So I would really recommend that you get your paper and your pencil and you draw out. You may do a lot of practicing on drawing prisms when you're doing these real world problems. Now, how much chicken wire am I going to need? If I need to cover the entire thing, how do we do that? Well, yeah, you could draw a net out and create it that way. Or you can just do what we did yesterday and we can just say that we have this side here is 6 times 10, and that is 60 feet squared. And we know that if this front is 60, then the back is the exact same thing every single time. So we have 60 again, 60 feet squared. So that gives us the front and the back. Now we have this right side here. How do we find the area? Yeah, we're going to multiply this 8 feet at the bottom by this 6 feet on the top. The height is 6 feet, and 8 times 6 is 48. So we have 48 feet squared. And the back side is the exact same thing again. 8 times 6 is 48. What are we missing? The bottom and the top. Top's really important. Normally I wouldn't do the bottom. So let's say if I did a normal chicken coop, I would just do the top, and I would say that the top is going to be what? 8 times 10. 8 times 10 right here, we get 80 feet squared. Now, I'd be done if I was building a normal chicken coop, but the question says if I want to cover the whole thing, well, then I need to do that bottom as well. And we're going to have 80 feet squared. What are we going to do? We're going to add it all together. We're just going to add that up. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 6 plus 6 is 13. Plus 4 is 17. Plus 4 is 21. And then plus 8 is 29. Plus 8 is 37. We got a 37. So 376 feet squared. Alright, surface area, last one. You got this. You can just keep on persevering. That's it for the week. So I will see you next week.